Cozy Couples app. So here's it's quite a trending app, relationship app. As you can see, it's getting into top charts in some categories in US App Store. So build a cozy home for your relationship. Feel close to the one you love even when you're apart. Join your partner on Cozy Couples to connect, relax, and share happy moments together. Stay in sync, share your mood, and see how your partner is feeling in real time. Send loud notes to make each other smile, deepen your connection, strengthen your bond with thought provoking daily questions. Build your home, keep growing, watch your relationships thrive as you extend your daily streak. Count down to birthdays, anniversaries, and future adventures. Cozy Couples is a space just for you and your partner where you can relax, unwind, and enjoy each other's company. So, yeah, you can just open it up and you can just invite partner. But basically, this is some virtual space you are just sharing with your partner or your friend. So here you just have diary, you just have cat, you take care of your cat or playing with your cat. You add in photos here, you add in a plant or taking care of your plant. You take and then you just kind of you're doing something and your partner is doing, and you just like taking care of some virtual space, and then you just giving gifts to each other. Then you just showing affection to each other. You just send a hug, press and hold both hearts to send a hug. So that's pretty cool. And then just done, and then you just have it, and then you earn in stars, and yeah, that's what it is. And then you have your account, you have special dates, you have all of these details. Then you have your affection. So yeah, just the idea is that like you just also can add music. What tunes would you like to play for you and your partner? So you add in that. So you can also play pixels together. So play games together. You can draw notes on each other's screen. And yeah, so just doing the things virtually together. So sometimes maybe you are in a long distance relationship, or you're traveling, or you just want to remind of each other. This is kind of interesting app to try out. Some people like this idea, some people don't really like this, but yeah, it has a niche audience. It's pretty interesting app. So try it out. Cozy Couples relationship app.